I'm so pissed off with this acne. I cannot tell you, it's been 2 months. ये acne जाते हैं फिर आ जाते हैं and it is pissing me off so badly. Since festive season is going on and of course Diwali is coming soon, I really thought of getting rid of this acne. I went to dermatologist. They have suggested me some medications, but I know it's going to cure my acne in the long run. So what is the solution I have? What I thought is, no matter how challenging your skin is, if you have a glowing skin, it solves most of the problem. I think अगर जो हमारे high ends है जहाँ पे हम highlighter लगाते हैं, if it glows naturally, it's going to make you look attractive, right? Irrespective of how challenging skin you have. So I thought of making a video and showing you all the product that I use that brings kind of glow to my face. In this festive season, I know it's going to be extremely crowded in the market, in the parlors, everything is really booked. You will not get any appointments easily. So I thought maybe I should buy a facial kit and try it for myself. Out of all the brands, I think the one I trust the most is Lotus. Okay, it's been in the market for a really long time. And that's why I bought this amazing Lotus Herbals Radiant Gold Facial Kit, which makes your skin glow. The best part is it has only 4 steps. First is cleansing scrub, then activator, then massage cream, and the 4th one is mask. I'll go one by one. I'll show you each step one by one and I cannot wait. Let's get started. Okay, I'm ready. मैं अपना face wash करके आ गई हूँ and let's get started with the first step. So the first step here is cleansing scrub, okay? And पीछे you can definitely see how you can use the product. Gently apply cleansing scrub on moistened skin. It means आपका skin जो है वो damp होना चाहिए. In circular movements on the face and neck. Rinse thoroughly or clean with moist cotton. I don't really believe in cleaning it with cotton, so I'm going to rinse it. Okay, so let's get started. So I've taken this scrub. It's also mentioned that this is for all skin type, okay? मेरा जो skin है वो dry है. अभी winters में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry हो जाएंगे. So don't worry about the skin type you have. You can use it for every kind of skin. But हाँ, sensitive skin is always very different. So please do a patch test before using it. It said circular movements, so I'm doing it in a circular movement. It's not mentioned कितने टाइम के लिए करना है, but I think जब तक ये अच्छे से ड्राई नहीं हो जाता तब तक हम इसको करेंगे. ठीक है, ये काफ़ी ड्राई हो चुका है. I think I'm going to wash this now. Okay, मैंने अपना फेस धो लिया है. This is how it looks. मैं बहुत हीरो बन के मस्कारा लगा के बैठी थी, बट मेरा फेस पूरा काला काला हो गया था. Now it's safe. Okay, let's move on to the second step, which is activator. Yeah, second step is activator and it's written with 24 karat gold leaves. And it said take 5 to 7 drops of activator, apply on the face and massage for 2 to 3 minutes without wiping. Follow the next step. Oh, okay, ये हमें हटाना नहीं है. ठीक है, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think my skin already feels so soft. It's looking good. Okay, I'm done. जो भी मेरा हाथ में बचा हुआ है ना, वो मैं से नेक में लगा रही हूँ. Now the third step is it's a massage cream, okay, and this also has 24 karat gold leaves. This absolutely feels like butter. Wow. Okay, so massaging is done. I have done the massage pretty well. Now it's time for the 4th step, which is the last step. So the last step is the mask. This is step 4, okay, and it says apply a generous amount of the mask on the face After the mask dries, rinse thoroughly or remove with moist cotton, pat dry. Okay, so let's try the last step we have. You can use a brush also if you want. I think fingers work the best. I let it dry for maybe 10 minutes and then let's see. This is dry completely. I'm gonna wash this and show you the result. Okay, so I'm done. This is the final result. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can see a bit of glow on my face. I think this is the first time I have used it, but still first time के हिसाब से काफी glow आ गया है मेरे face में. I think this is absolutely nice. I'm definitely going to use this more. अगर आप 5-6 महीने में एक बार फेशियल करते हो, I think तब भी it works because this lasts for 3 years. I think this is absolutely amazing. This is for all skin types and I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for some glow to your skin. And with this, I hope all of you enjoyed this and this video was very useful to all of you. I will definitely come up with some exciting video next time soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.